So here we have this Sweetcrispy electric adjustable standing desk. Now in this video, I'm gonna unbox it, put it together, and then give you my initial impression. And there's everything it came with, so let's put it together. All right, so first we're just gonna slide the main connecting rod into both sides. And next we're gonna screw on the main horizontal support piece. Then stand it up and use 4 screws to attach each one of these legs. Or maybe their feet, I'm not really sure. Now this might just be me nitpicking this, but I think these screws should have been black so they match the rest of the metal frame. Anyway, next we're going to screw on another metal bracket and another one on this side. And now put 2 of these donuts on the center frame. To assemble the top, we're going to place it upside down, put 4 dowels in, and then snap both sides together. Now we're going to align the metal brackets that hold the 2 pieces together and screw them down. Then there's 2 plastic hooks that we're also going to screw on. We got 8 more donuts to place, and there's some pre-drilled holes we can easily line them up with. Now we're going to put on the control panel, not like that. Let's try that again. There we go. Time to put together the fabric box. Alright, and when you go to attach it to the table, unfortunately there aren't any pre-drilled holes, so you're going to have to measure yourself, and then you can screw it on. Now we're going to flip it over, make sure the control panel's on the right side, and then screw the base to the top. And I got a little impatient, so I decided to use a screw gun. Finally, the last step is to plug it in and then put on these covers. Alright, so there we go. It's all put together. Looks pretty nice. I'm not really a fan of these double boards here because it leaves a seam which is kind of ugly. But apart from that, I'm pretty happy with this desk. There's these nice wide legs with adjustable feet. It's really sturdy, like it's only rocking a little bit here. The desk has one of these hooks on either side, which is pretty nice. You can use those to hang your headsets on. And then up top, there's these covers that let you pass a cord through. And of course, this fabric drawer that was a little bit difficult to install, but now that it's in, it works pretty well. And then the control panel right here, which has a bunch of different settings. When I first turned it on, the height was in metric, but I was able to switch it over when I went through the settings. I also tested it out, and the desk is actually able to raise about 160 pounds. So overall, I'm pretty happy with this desk, and if you don't mind the seam here, then I would definitely recommend it.